Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Hey. Hey y'all, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I'm assuming by the title you have decided to go ahead and click on this video because you wanted some inspiration. Yes, I am going ahead and getting to it and completing my manifestations for 2021. Stay tuned, y'all. My vision board for 2021 is coming up.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All right, y'all, so as you can see, I am on Google. What I'm doing is I'm going and basically looking for the main word that is going to break up my vision board into categories. So the main word that I will be using, I plan on like putting the 2021 in the middle of the actual board, and then my main word is consistency. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'll put the 2021 in the middle or somewhere on there, but consistency will be the word that I plan on focusing on for the year of 2021. I struggle with that so much, and I refuse to allow that to control my business for the next year. The main part that I'm afraid of is printing the words too small or too big, and then it may not fit on the board itself. So I may do like about 2 different sizes just to give me more of an option, so I won't have to come back on the computer once I am done printing. So this is the part of just the vision board that takes the most work. You basically need to figure out or understand and the vision of what you want. Find the words that stand out the most to you, that once you look at it, look at your vision board daily, it is just a daily reminder for what you're manifesting for the year. I usually try to find words that are some form of motivation for me, as well as it stands out. You know what I mean? So let's see with faith. I was attempting to try to do my vision board a bit different this year and stick to like a black and white theme. I did get some black construction paper, which you guys would see, and I'm gonna basically use it as the border behind everything I post on there. So I'm looking for the font that I like the best for the word faith. And I'm just gonna go ahead and copy the image, go back to Word, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it. So throughout what you're gonna see now, this is basically what I'm doing, going back and forth between Google and Word to basically save the words and things of that sort that will be on my vision board, y'all. Like, this is the most time-consuming part of creating your vision board. But as long as you're willing to take that time to basically manifest what you want for the next year, then go ahead and do what you gotta do, like I am. I also have to go ahead and put my printer together so I can go ahead and print this. Computer, you can definitely go ahead and use magazines. I've used magazines many times, but this time around I kind of just have a vision of what I want. right, y'all, so I am back. I have cut out all my printouts, and now I'm gonna go ahead and cut and shape the black construction paper behind it. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue listening to some music and go ahead and cut this thing up, girl. Don't cut your hands now, don't cut your hands. I'm actually gonna try to see the format in which I want the board first before I even begin to start cutting the construction here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that. And I want the black paper to outline, basically, that you can see it under every sheet that's on here. So, I was never good in arts and crafts, I'll tell you that. I cannot cut in a straight line for nothing. All right, y'all, so I have finally finished my 2021 vision board, y'all. I am so exhausted, and I still have some parts that are empty that I want to fill in, because my vision board, I just kind of like to, I don't like to see any empty spot. But I did put a little spin and twist to it by putting some string lights inside, just because when I put it up on the back, as I said earlier in the video, on my bookshelf, I just want to, you know, the light just kind of make it pop more and just have me catch my attention faster, you know what I mean? So here goes my 2021 vision board, y'all. Guys, this is so, I'm so excited, and it's so much on here that I'm so eager to start. And here, as I said, This is my first time actually getting a frame. Please be careful with the glue, y'all, because the glue, like the glue stick, I thought it would be less messy, but it's the same. As I said, I'm not an arts and crafts person, so there you have it. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys. Let me know what you think of my vision board. So just to show you, 2021, just like when we started, the word for the year, God's willing, is consistency. No more procrastination. Goodbye procrastination. I went ahead and just added thankful and inspired to the 2021 because that's the way I want to continue on through the year. Anything that happens throughout my life is a learning lesson, is the way I take it. And I want to be thankful for it, whether good or bad, because there's something to take from any experience in life. And I just feel as though it's a lesson. Every test is a testimony, okay? So I want to go ahead and live throughout 2021 and of course my life in general of being thankful and grateful, which I have grateful down here. On the other side, I have inspire. If I'm able to inspire anyone, then at least one person, that's something that means a lot to me because I know I have a lot of people that I look up to and be inspirations to me, and I want to do the same. Just another thing I have over here, a Michelle Obama quote, and it says, "Don't be afraid, be focused, be determined, be hopeful, be empowered." And that's my girl, Michelle Obama. Okay, I have a travel section over here, and my plan is to, I really want the plan of traveling, not only traveling, but traveling with my family and all of us. I would love that for 2021. I would love to travel the whole world, but as of right now, if I chose to just put 4 of the top places that I would love to go, and I have Thailand, Trinidad and Tobago, Greece, and Paris, y'all. Paris may be without the kids, you know what I'm saying? I have all the plaques and play button that you can get from YouTube, and I put it to consistency because I know with consistency, this is possible, okay? All right, y'all, so that is it. I really, truly appreciate you taking the time out for checking out my video. Thank you so much for coming and checking out what a vision board is, how you even start a vision board. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know, are you doing a vision board this year? What is your focus? What is the word that you're gonna try to uphold and hold yourself accountable for throughout the year? Go ahead and comment down below and let me know. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell right next to that whenever a new video is uploaded, you'll be one of the first to know. If you are not following me on Instagram, home with a naturalista, no space. Home with a naturalista, no space. Thank you guys so much. And I just wanted to end the video with the words from the awesome Nelson Mandela. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.
Place to go. Let it snow, let it snow.